Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and are happy and safe, including your families. Welcome to my YouTube channel HAH Electrical. Today we will discuss the topic about transformers. It is necessary. Let's start the topic. Before that, subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive every new video. Autotransformer. An autotransformer is a type of electrical transformer with only one winding. The auto prefix refers to the single coil acting alone, Greek for self, not to any automatic mechanism. An autotransformer is similar to a two-winding transformer but varies in the way the primary and secondary winding of the transformer are interrelated. Autotransformer theory. In an autotransformer, one single winding is used as primary winding as well as secondary winding. But in two-winding transformer, two different winding are used for primary and secondary purpose. Copper saving in autotransformer. Now we will discuss the savings of copper in autotransformer compared to conventional two-winding transformer. We know that weight of copper of any winding depends upon its length and cross-sectional area. Again, length of conductor in winding is proportional to its number of turns and cross-sectional area varies with rated current. So weight of copper in winding is directly proportional to product of number of turns and rated current of the winding. Please comment how you like my video. Thank you for watching my video.